Welcome Wild Dogs to your Wednesday workout. I hope you enjoyed Tuesday. Today is all about upper body push and pull. So there's going to be 2 pulling movements and 2 pushing movements, and it's going to be broken up a little bit differently to what we normally do. Right, we're going to try and get a nice big pump on. I want the arms to be nice and tired, the muscles feeling swollen. Right, a proper real bro sesh. That's what we're going to be focusing on today. Alright, so for your warm-up, we're going to follow very similar to pattern to what we've done previously. However, we're not going to do any cardio. Alright, we're going to focus on warming up just the shoulders. Alright, so that's going to be our main aim. So what's going to happen is you're going to have a timer that's going to go off every 30 seconds. You're going to have, for the first 30 seconds is forward arm swings. Then the next 30 seconds is backward arm swings, followed by push-ups. Alright, you can do full or half, that's up to you. And then 30 seconds of alternating T-spine openers. That's what we're going to be looking at for our warm-up. Alright, so we're going to have a look at that in the demonstration now. Alright, so now that the warm-up's done, we're going to have a look at your part A. Part A, like I said, is going to be run a little bit differently. Alright, you're going to complete 4 rounds of one movement before we move on to the rest. Alright, and that movement is going to be nice and simple. Our first one is going to be one arm row. Alright, so all the reps are going to be 8 reps throughout all the movements. Alright, so 8 reps of your one arm row. You're going to do 8 on the one arm, 8 on the other. However, here's the trick. Every rep has to end with a 3-second hold at the top of the movement. Alright, so if I'm in the movement, 1, 2, 3, back down. You're doing 8 reps just like that on the one arm, change 8 reps on the other. Alright, every time you finish, so you do 8 and 8, you give yourself a maximum of 45 seconds rest, and you're going to start again. Alright, the goal of this is to go as heavy as possible throughout all the movements, where you can manage 8 reps with 3 seconds of the hold. Alright. So then your second movement, nice and simple, is going to be bicep curls. Alright, yes, for the guys. So you're going to go bicep curl all the way up, all the way back down. If you've got 2 dumbbells, you can do 2 dumbbells moving together, and if you've got a bar, you can use a bar to do it. Right, it's all the same, it doesn't really matter. However, there is a little trick here. It's necessarily how the dumbbell gets up to the top, it's more about that control down. So you're going to have a 3-second control all the way down and re-engage. Remember, you're doing 4 rounds of that, 8 reps, 3-second hold. Once you finish a round, you're going to have 45 seconds rest. So then our third movement in the sequence is going to be tricep extension. Same thing applies. If you've only got 1 dumbbell, you're going to hold it above head with both hands. If you've got 2 and they are light enough, you can do both, so one hand. And if you have a barbell, you can do barbell extensions. Alright, so we'll get into that in the demo. So remember, 4 rounds of that. Alright, nice and simple. You're doing 8 reps. Okay, depending on if you're doing either arm, it'll be 8 on one arm, 8 on the other. If you're doing it together, it'll be 8 in total. You have to focus on a 3-second down in that movement. So the weight needs to be light enough that you can manage to push it back up. Alright, so we're really focusing on the negatives today. Alright, then our fourth and final movement is going to be 8 one-arm chest press, bench press, or normal chest press. So those all pretty much the exact same thing. It all just depends on what you have available to you. So bench press, if you've got a bench and a bar, you can do bench press. If you only have 1 dumbbell or 1 kettlebell, you can do single arm chest press laying on the floor. And if you only have 2 dumbbells or 2 kettlebells, you're going to do lying down on the ground, normal chest press with the weight in each arm. Okay, same thing there. You're going to press up towards the ceiling, and you're going to come down slowly, 3 seconds, and re-engage the rep. You have to do 8 reps of that, 4 rounds, 45 seconds break after each round. Alright, awesome guys. So we're going to have a look at all those movements in a demo now and show you exactly what I want to see. so part A is done. The body is a little bit sore, muscles are feeling swollen and awesome. You are now going to just do 100 sit-ups as your part B. It's all going to be core work, 100 sit-ups 4 times. I want you to do it as fast as possible, but obviously with a bit of quality in the mix as well there. Okay, so full range of motion, touching behind you all the way forward, touching the toes, making sure those shoulders are in line with the knees. Alright, so we're going to have a look at that in a nice quick demo. I think we all know sit-ups quite well. Alright guys, that's our Wednesday workout. I look forward to seeing you guys in class later on today, and then obviously we look forward to the rest of the week. Thursday and Friday's programs are going to be awesome, so we'll see you there.